Alaikum warahmatullahi friends. One hadith, one story. Friends, today's story title is The Money. It was Ramadan and Muslim had gone to the bakery to buy some bread to get ready for iftar. There was a long queue in front of the bakery. As the time to break the fast approached, the people became more and more impatient. The baker was worried about the people in the queue. It was not easy for him to work quickly to make sure everybody had bread and take the correct money. It was almost time to break fast. When Mohsin's turn came, the baker was really tired by that time, and by mistake he gave Mohsin too much change. At first, Mohsin hesitated and looked at the baker's face in surprise. "Is there something wrong?" the baker asked. "No," Mohsin said, and he took the money. He ran home from the bakery. At dinner, Mohsin was worried and distracted. When he went to bed that night, he became even more worried. He felt as if an invisible man was asking him, "Why did you take money that wasn't yours?" He thought that he should tell his mother everything and didn't say anything. He knew that his mother would be angry and blame him. He had terrifying nightmares all night long. When he woke up in the morning, he didn't feel any better. He looked at the calendar on the wall. There was a hadith written there, which reads as follows. Our beloved Prophet, Hazrat Muhammad said that sin is a thing which disturbs your heart and a thing you don't want others to know. Mohsin felt his face turning red, as if our beloved Prophet, Hazrat Muhammad had spoken this hadith just for him. He immediately went to the bakery and gave the baker's money back, apologizing for not having returned it sooner. Friends, never do anything that gives burden to your heart. I hope you like the story. Jazakallah for watching. Allah Hafiz.